very few, and do keep your mask firmly in place. I want to cut across back to Pankaj Khelkar because he has with him Dilip Parulekar, who's the former tourism minister. Pankaj, maybe you can ask him what is the confusion about and how is Goa going to actually conduct a safe New Year's when you have 45 lakh tourists partying during a pandemic?
Preeti, let me directly go to Dilip Parulekar. So what would you like to say? Discussion is going on that curfew will be imposed during night hours. Your health minister has given a proposal to the CM, Pramod Sawant sir.
सर आप देखेंगे तो दिस 4 डेज में इतना सारा टूरिस्ट गोवा में आया है. मेरे ख्याल से मेरे थोड़ा सा अनुभव है, इसमें से 8-9 लाख टूरिस्ट आज गोवा में है. बेसिकली ऑल द इंडियन टूरिस्ट आर हियर एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दे नो दैट गोवा इज अ सेफ प्लेस ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड.
About the curfew being imposed, what would you like to say?
या कर्फ्यू मेरे को तो मालूम नहीं, मैं तो सरकार में नहीं है. फिर भी इफ कर्फ्यू इज इम्पोज देन कर्फ्यू विल बी एट अ नाइट टाइम एंड दैट विल बी अ सर्टेन टाइमिंग. सो डे के टाइम पीपल कैन कम, टूरिस्ट कैन कम एंड दे कैन एंजॉय.
Is it practical that such an act or such a step by the government can be implemented when so many tourists are there in all of the corners of Goa and they are enjoying? Do you feel that your 9 to 10,000 police will be able to control around 10 lakh of tourists?
नहीं, सब ऐसा है कि पहले से गोवा में शांत है और पुलिस भी उतना जबरदस्ती ये नहीं करता है कि रात के टाइम जो भी कोई मस्ती करने वाला है, जो भी नाके पे पूरा बंदोबस्त लगा है, उसमें से मेरे को लगता है कि गोवा इज अ सेफ प्लेस एंड पीपल ऑल्सो लेट देम कम they let them enjoy in Goa because everywhere all over the world, all over the India there is a pandemic है, लेकिन गोवा में बहुत सारा कंट्रोल है, बहुत सारा कम है, इसीलिए they wanted to come and enjoy. Let them enjoy.
Preeti, here the former tourism minister says that the figures of coronavirus in Goa are very less, and yes, yesterday's figures were around 22 patients in the hospital and 124 total patients who are home quarantine. So the patients are less, but the floating population, that might cause the harm because all of these states are having figures of coronavirus and those patients are having some symptoms. If they come here and then they spread, then it will be a havoc.
And there are 45 lakh of them. That's the number of Indian tourists right now in Goa for New Year's. Just look at that sum, 45 lakh tourists. Let that sink in. You know, I'll ask all our reporters to stay on with us, where we're going to quickly dip in to the news report which was filed by Pankaj from Goa, where tourists across the country, 45 lakh of them, have arrived in Goa for New Year celebration. The state government has not issued a night curfew and tourists are making the most of it because there's a fair amount of confusion. It doesn't seem there's going to be any night curfew today.
Seeing these visuals, you would be tempted to think the pandemic nightmare has ended. India's party capital is living up to its name. New Year's Eve 2020 has turned out to be the busiest day of the year as tourists from across the country, 45 lakh, according to some estimates, have descended upon the stage.
Shacks are full, the dance floor is full, tourists are there and the locals are happy. There's a broad smile on their faces. Now they are saying that since last 1 year, they have been experiencing, they had the lockdown and so the business was also down. And now, because of Christmas and now New Year, they have got the chance to earn, and that is the reason when they've got this opportunity, they don't want to miss it. They are welcoming, they are there to welcome the guests and the tourists are there to enjoy.
Cafes, beaches, flea markets, tourists are everywhere and they're making up for all the travel they've lost this year. Some are here to shake off the stress.
अभी कोविड सिचुएशन को देखते देखते तो अभी साल निकल रहा है, तो अभी हम उसको थोड़ा सा साइड में रखते हैं, अभी फ्रैंक होने के लिए और टेंशन को रिलीज करने के लिए यहाँ पे रिलैक्स होने के लिए आए हैं.
While others are here to ring in the new year with a blast. The local administration, after missing out on its primary source of revenue for most of the year, is cashing in. It, however, urges everyone to follow COVID norms.
और गोवा एक ऐसा शहर है जो भगवान ने ये देन दी हुई है और इसकी नेचुरल ब्यूटी जो है वो भगवान ने हमको स्वर्ग दिया हुआ है। टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं वो SOP और MHA फॉलो करके रूल्स फॉलो करके यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
Goa seems to be the only state which has opened up to revelers in a big way. Most states have imposed restrictions or banned public gatherings. With Pankaj Khelkar in Goa, Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, as much as one doesn't want to play party pooper, but did you see one of those revelers with a mask there?